Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I'm your host and this is my best friend. Together we make fun and educational videos for kids. Well, it has been a while since we sang one of our famous songs, so today let us do Splish Splash. This is the song about bath time. And if you want to sing along with us, then don't forget to stay tuned because we upload new videos every single week. Alright, are you ready? Let's go! It's bath time for little Fishy in the sea. Mommy Fish is brushing little Fishy's hair. She's making sure that it's nice and clean. Then she blows some bubbles on his head and sings a little tune. Splish splash, splish splash, it's bath time again. Splish splash, come play with me, little friend. A little Fishy opens up his eyes. He stretches out his fins, and he yawns, and he sighs. He takes a deep breath and says, I smell like dirt, and I smell like sand. Oh, Mama, can I take a bath in the land? Of course, my love, but first you must be brave. We have to drive all the way to the wave. There's no tub or sink down here in the sea. So we'll ride a wave up to the shore, and that's where we will wash you, my little Fishy, and scrub you from head to toe. Then we will carry you home and tuck you in bed. You'll sleep real good after a day that was so fun, my Fishy. But what if I fall off the wave? I don't want to fall in the water again. Oh, silly goose, don't be afraid. I'll hold you tight and protect you all the way. Then you can jump right in the waves all by yourself. And when you're done playing, just simply yell, and we'll come back for you in a jiffy. Okay, Mama, I guess I can do this. I'm not scared anymore. Let's go take a bath in the sea. Now they swam and they swam until they saw a wave coming their way. It was big and tall and a perfect place for little fish to play. They climbed aboard and Mommy Fish held on tight. Then the wave began to rise up, higher and higher above the sea. Soon they reached the top, right to the shore. And when they hit the sand, little Fishy fell off the wave and landed on the ground. He rolled around in the wet sand for a while and then looked all around. He saw shells and seaweed and pebbles so bright. He had so much fun splashing with all of his might. But soon it was time to get clean and fresh. So Mama Fish gave him a little nudge and said, Come on, little one, it's time to start your splash. They found a bucket filled with fresh, soapy water. And before long, Fishy was squeaky clean and feeling brand new. After scrubbing and rinsing, it was time for a treat. Papa Fish tickled his belly with his whiskers so neat. Then Mama Fish dried him with a soft, fluffy towel. And when they were done, they put on sunscreen all over the small. Now they were ready to go back home again. And little Fishy wanted to shout and play, but Mama Fish said, No, 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 it's time to be calm. The current is strong and it could pull you afar. And we wouldn't want that. Now, would we, my dear? No, Mama, I wouldn't. I won't cause any fuss. I promise to be good. I won't make a muss. So they took another wave back to the deep blue sea. And once again, Fishy fell off and landed right next to a coconut tree. He looked at the sky and said, Wow, it's so high. How am I gonna climb up there and get it down from on high? But then he remembered what his mama had said. She told him to use his fins, and with them he tread. So Fishy kicked and kicked with all his might. He climbed up the trunk and reached the coconut light. He opened it up and drank some of the sweet coconut juice. It tasted delicious. It was exactly what he wanted to soothe his dry throat. But suddenly it started to rain. Fishy got scared and ran underneath a rock. He felt sad and lonely and started to cry. Oh Mama, why did you let me come outside? I wish I was home with my teddy bear and my soft cozy bed. Don't worry, little Fishy, we're almost home. Just wait right here and we'll be there in a mo. After the rain stopped, Fishy crawled out from underneath his rock and saw a beautiful rainbow up above. He wiggled his fins and swam with joy. He couldn't wait to tell his family all about his day. They rode another wave back home, and Fishy fell off just beyond the reef. He saw some colorful coral and some seahorses too. But he kept on swimming towards his house with his family in view. When he got home, he snuggled with his mom and dad. He told them all about the wave, the rainbow, and the coconut he had. He was tired and hungry, so Papa Fish made him some dinner. It was yummy fish food and kelp with a sprinkle of glimmering brine. After dinner, Fishy brushed his teeth and put on his pajamas, bright yellow with green stripes and comfy red slippers. Then he hopped into bed and snuggled his teddy bear. He closed his eyes and dreamed of waves, coconuts, and sandy shores once again. In the morning, Fishy woke up feeling great. He couldn't wait to tell his friends about his amazing day at the beach. But then he heard a knock at the door and peeked out to see who it could be. It was his friend Sammy Seahorse. And when he saw Fishy all cleaned up, he said, "Wow, you look great. Did you go to the beach yesterday?" "Yes, I sure did," said Fishy with a smile. "And I had such a blast. It's even more fun when you go with your family fast. Can I come with you next time? I've never been to the beach before." "Of course, Sammy, you can come with us whenever you please. It's always fun with a friend, if you ask me." "Thanks, Fishy. That sounds great. Maybe tomorrow we can go explore." "Sounds good to me. I'll ask my parents and then we'll know." The end. Little Fishy went to the beach yesterday. He had so much fun playing in the sand. He splashed in the waves and climbed up high in the coconut tree. He even saw a beautiful rainbow. Today he woke up feeling great. He couldn't wait to tell his friends about his amazing day. He brushed his teeth, put on his favorite pajamas, and ate a delicious breakfast. After breakfast, he played with his toys and waited for his friends to come over. Soon enough, his friend Sammy Seahorse came by and asked Fishy if he could go to the beach with him and his family tomorrow. Fishy said, "Of course," and they made plans to meet at the same spot next to the coconut tree. What did Fishy do at the beach? Did he have fun? What did he learn? What did he play? We learned that it's fun to go to the beach with friends and family. It's important to be brave and try new things. And most importantly, it's always a good idea to listen to your mom and dad. We hope you enjoyed this story. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You can also leave us a comment below to let us know what you think. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And now, it's time to sing our last song. Are you ready? Let's go! It's getting dark and time for bed. The moon and stars are shining bright. Close your eyes and count some sheep. Sleep tight, little one, and dream sweet dreams tonight. Brush your teeth and wash your face. Put on your pajamas, soft and warm. Give your teddy bear a final squeeze. Now you're ready for a peaceful night's repose. The end. Thanks for watching and staying with us till the end. If you enjoyed our story, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe so you don't miss any of our future uploads. Bye bye.